I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unlock a Google Drive file. And to be clear, you can only unlock a Google Drive file through the Google Drive website, and you can't unlock a file in the iPhone, iPad, or Android app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to drive.google.com, and then sign in to your Google account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Google Drive home screen. Step 2. Find the Google Drive file that you want to unlock and then click the vertical ellipses associated with that file. A menu is displayed. Step 3. Click File Information to open a submenu and then click Unlock in that submenu. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to unlock this Google Drive file, which will open it up for editing and commenting from other people. Step 4. Click Unlock again. That Google Drive file will be unlocked immediately and you'll see the padlock removed from that specific item. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.